get it.
2012, I had a 22, that bitch went pop. Now I got a Drake, I spot a op and it go boop boop.
Do not. Like calculator. Why do burgers go to the gym? To get bigger buns. Where do cats go swimming? The kiddie pool. What streets do skeletons live on? Dead ends.
I think you owe me a ride. See that extra helmet you got on your motorcycle?
I'm straight, bro. Appreciate that.
Really gonna say no?
Yo, dude, look at that baddie over there.
Bro, you shouldn't be talking about girls like that. They're just trying to get their workout
Holy
in.
crap, that dude has a fatty.